Is forex trading a scam? Well, this is a question a couple of you out there are asking. If really forex is a scam, well, my name is Sewankambo Isma from FX Kampala. As always, I'll be releasing content regarding forex trading, and if you enjoy the content that we do release, if you find this interesting, educative, profitable, please share it to the rest of your friends, family. Well, in this video, as usual, we're going to see if really forex is a scam, and then if forex isn't scam, then what may be some of the factors that may make or may probably reflect forex as a scam. Well, forex itself is not a scam. However, there are people that, of course, will make forex a scam. Now, just like any other business, there's can be a scam, depending on who introduces it to you, on who probably conducts it, and other various, surrounding avenues, that may associate it relatively to you as a person. However, when it comes to forex, forex is highly vulnerable to scams because it's an online thing. No person will definitely know. Okay, there are literally a few people that will definitely know the right people to approach when it comes to forex. So it's online, it's vulnerable. Someone can definitely just tells you something that you probably just need to trust them, to operate with them, which is quite hard, in one way or the other, to ensure the trustworthy of any person, that has introduced you the business. So online becomes highly vulnerable to scams as compared to the physical businesses like shops, hardwares, supermarkets, and all that. Now, the answer to the question is forex is not a scam. We're going to see some of these various factors, some of the things people probably have basis over to say or to unveil and say forex is a scam. Now, the first thing that I would say that probably make forex a scam are the traders. To some point, of course, someone will definitely come and tell you, what, okay, let me use my name, Isma, when you give me this money, I'm going to use this money and trade it. Maybe on the daily basis, I'll be making 100%, 100%, 100%. You understand? So by the end of the week, or the end of the month, someone has probably made 1,000% of the initial deposits, which is quite unrealistic. And of course, to someone who technically has done finance, someone who literally knows, but they'll definitely say this is a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a Ponzi scheme. This is something to fake, of course, to take people's money. Now, once you give someone money, you don't know whether this person is going to put the money into the accounts and probably trade them off, or this person knows how to trade. Okay, so there are quite a number of uncertainties, in relation to this person you've entrusted your funds to. So anything can happen because probably this is someone who doesn't have an address. This is someone you've just found over the street, even though someone has an address. But then according to economics, these are unrealistic profits. Now, this makes it the number one scam. However, this is not the nature, this is not the characteristics, rather the characteristic of the business, the forex as a business. With forex, we literally have to treat it like the underlying businesses, the normal businesses that we know. Now, or if you probably can't make 100%, in the realistic normal businesses, then the same happens this side. You can't as well do the same thing. So I say that if you actually out there and someone comes out to you, tells you the profits to be generated on a daily basis when it comes to forex, then just know this person is a scammer, but it's not forex itself to be a scam. So forex is not a scam, but the people or the person that has approached you, giving you these unrealistic profits, and returns, then becomes a scammer. So by this, I actually say forex itself is not a scam. Forex, the trader this person that has come to you in particular is the one who is a scammer. Another way on how you can be scammed over forex could be through the brokers. Of course, we have a couple of brokers over the markets, regulated and unregulated broker. However, if you ever actually going to start forex and you initially want to go into a business in one way or the other, you need to have a broker. Now, a broker is not these other brokers that you know. A broker is literally an agent that provides the technology, the instruments, and the education, and a couple of other things to do with your trade execution, trading process, withdraw deposit, methods and methodologies, and over a couple of things to do with forex. Now, if this person himself rather, he's affected, he's not a proper person, he's not a regulated, then definitely you're going to say it's forex that is a scam. However, yet it is this person because he's not regulated. So we have a couple of brokers that are not regulated. So in the way that if you deposit money and you trade this money, you grow this money to a certain amount of money, and you can't withdraw, have access to this money, then what comes, or what will eventually people say will be, if someone trades in forex, they can't withdraw, depositing becomes easier and withdrawing becomes hard, then therefore this is going to be a scam. But it's a scam in the idea, in the narrative of what has happened, of what we have just had, what I've just talked about. Yet it's the person that chose a wrong broker. So always when you're trading, you should be mindful of the broker that we choose. However, I've always been coming in to show you brokers that you can use. We have recommended a couple of them, and then if you haven't had an account with this broker, you can register using the link up below. Rather, you can use this video up to create that account, or check with the link below this particular video, or you still can go on the section of our website, that is www.fxkampala, where we actually present to you brokers that are regulated, brokers that are trusted. You not picking a regulated, trusted broker with no manipulated, market prices, then will definitely make you will make forex a scam. Yet it's not the scam. So it's as a result of the broker. The other thing that may probably seem forex to be a scam is actually as a result of the strategies that we use. Strategies will not work over and over, just as a system that probably worked 20, 30, 50 years back isn't the same system that we're using. Of course, I'm not saying that this can't happen. It may happen, but of course at a narrowed few cases. Now, when it comes to forex, or is when you are trading, you should actually be mindful of the strategies that you're using. Of course, these scammers will always come on the different social media platforms presenting strategies. Of course, they will show you, I use this strategy and this strategy used such an, it actually made me such a number of trades and I was in position to make this. Now, mind you, if you actually to do this business, you should have, or you should bear in mind that forex itself as a business isn't a matter of you making money, because any person can make money here. But then the point is, if you made money today, are you going to make money in the next 2, 3, 5, 10 years from now? Now, if you're in position to do this over and over, then you are probably a professional, profitable trader. Now, otherwise, if you probably just made money, let's say you've put let's say $500 today, and in the evening you have $1,000, $2,000, this doesn't make you a genius. Now, of course, people will come on different social media platforms and tell you, you know what, use this strategy because it has made me this quite a number of money, and so on and forth, without, of course, telling you to go and learn this, without them telling you to go do research, without them telling you to do this. Eventually, they're actually telling you this is a holy grail. Now, there is no system that is a holy grail. whenever someone presents to you a strategy, should not probably make you seem that this is 100% thing, because they have, at the end of the day, no control over what is going to happen in the markets. So if you dare come out and tell me this is 100 or 1,000% winning strategy, then this makes forex a scam. If someone tries it and doesn't work out as you promised on your social media platform, then this is the first beginnings step of forex being a scam. So forex becomes a scam in such a narrative whereby we promise, we give people strategies and tell them these are 100%, 1,000%, 1,000,000% trading strategies, and we tell them they are working, and once they probably do this and it doesn't work out, then there and then, of course failing, then there and then forex becomes a scam. Another way through which forex is named a scam is because of lack of education. Now, some people will not want to trade, learn how to trade rather, but will think, this is a one-time thing, just like as someone just tells you, do this, do this, do this, and then start trading. Now, once you do this, you're going to actually fall a victim of losing money. Now, once you lose money, you're going now to start saying that, forex is a scam, you can't make money from the forex business and all that. Now, once this happens, people will always start saying that this is a scam, or you'll always spread the rumor that forex is a scam. So hence, of course, forex becoming a scam, but not it being a scam, but because of the wrong procedures, steps that you took when you're probably venturing into such a business. Lastly, so many people, of course, will come and tell you, I started with this amount of money and made this amount of money. Now, once you come into the business and you fail to make this money, this amount of money, then you eventually lose. And once you lose, of course, you should be mindful of what social media people tell you about the business. So they will tell you, do this, to do this, do this. So you should always have a fifth sense before you probably can do any business, just like any other business. So the same is applicable for forex. Hope you've actually got something from this video. At the beginning, I shared a number. You can contact us anytime, any time of the day. We'll be in position to assist you here and there with issues concerning trading, forex, and any other instruments to be traded. I stay Wankambo Isma. Have a blessed day, blessed night, blessed good evening. I do love you all. Bye-bye.